How to change profile icon in your Netflix account on your smart TV. And okay guys, here in your remote of your smart TV, okay, press the Netflix. And okay guys, here you can see the list of profile. So for my example, I changed the profile icon of this Richard. Okay, you'll have to do is go to pencil icon on the left side of this profile and click OK on your remote. And now you can see the icon of this profile. So to change this, you'll have to do is go to icon and click OK on your remote. And now you can see the list of icon here. So the classic, history, stranger, Lucifer, The Witcher, Squid Game, Wednesday, Cobra King, and so on. And okay, so for my example, I changed the profile icon into this icon, color blue. And after you select the icon, click the Let's Do It button to change successfully this icon. And after that, click Done button to save these settings on your Netflix account. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully changed the profile icon on Netflix account in your smart TV. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.